Regenerative medicine utilizes multiple different ways to heal the body from within. One such option is platelet-rich plasma, or PRP. We draw your own blood, we spin it down, and we inject the plasma back into the body, which is full of growth factors. This can help heal arthritis issues, cartilage or tendon tears, muscle strains, sprains, and ongoing mild to moderate pain. Anyone who has not responded to traditional medicine, which could be physical therapy, medications, or steroid injections, may be a candidate to benefit from regenerative medicine.
To learn more, come visit us at our offices in Elkridge and Mount Airy or our website at browwellness.com.